This is the Signature Garden 3-arm sprinkler, and it has 12 nozzles and 360 degrees and can cover up to 3,600 feet. It can spray a distance of 32 feet with 80 psi water pressure. It has 12 water nozzles that you can adjust the angle as well. And it also has rotating arms too. This is the garden hose connection, which would fit standard 3/4 inch garden hoses. And if you want to use multiple garden hoses, it even has a tandem connection here as well. This also has a weighted sprinkler base. These 2 weights keep it steady and stable while you're watering your garden. Another nice feature is these sprays are adjustable. It will spray 15 to 45 degree angle. And this is perfect for your lawn, your garden, or for some outdoor fun. This is also heavy duty and durable with high quality ABS material. No need to worry about rust or corrosion with this heavy duty sprinkler. It's built to last. Now let's connect it to a garden hose so you can see it in action. I was sent this from Signature Garden to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful. Happy gardening!